In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Metatrader 5. When people say change currency in MT5, they usually mean switching the chart to a different currency pair, like moving from EURUSD to GBPJPY. Your account-based currency is set by your broker and can't be changed inside the app, but the charted currency pair you analyze and trade is completely up to you. That's exactly what we'll do now. Start by opening Metatrader 5 on your computer and make sure you're logged into your trading account so you can see live prices. To bring up the instrument list, press Ctrl+M on your keyboard. This toggles the Market Watch panel. If it was hidden, it will appear, typically on the left side of the platform. The Market Watch is where all available instruments live, including forex pairs, indices, commodities, and more. Inside Market Watch, you can add the currencies you want to see. If your desired pair is invisible, expand the available groups and enable it so it appears in the list. This is helpful if your broker offers many symbols and the one you need isn't shown by default. Once it's visible in Market Watch, you're ready to load the chart. Find the currency pair you want, then right-click directly on that symbol in the Market Watch list. A context menu will open with options specific to that instrument. This is where you access key actions without hunting through menus. From that menu, click Chart Window. MT5 will immediately open a fresh chart for the selected currency pair using your default template and settings. If you already had another chart open, you've effectively changed the currency you're viewing by opening this new chart. You can close the old chart if you no longer need it, or keep both visible and arrange your workspace to compare pairs side by side. A few quick reminders to keep you efficient. Ctrl+M will always toggle Market Watch on and off, which is handy when you want more chart space. If you can't find a currency pair, it may not be enabled by your broker on that account type, or it might be tucked away in a subgroup. Make sure you've revealed it in the list. And remember, switching the charted currency pair doesn't alter your account balance currency. It only changes what you're analyzing and potentially trading. That's all it takes to change the currency you're working with in Metatrader 5. Open Market Watch. Make sure the pair is visible, right-click it, and select Chart Window. Follow these steps anytime you want to switch pairs quickly and keep your analysis flowing.